shining above us, then I just wanna be where you are. I don't wanna close my eyes, then I might miss a moment of you. And as long as the sun shines upon us, and I just wanna be where you are.
So who can tell me what this white hole is right here?
A plug?
Looks like a
drain.
full hookup. So we could put our stinky slinky right there, and then we could use our bathroom in the RV. All right, let's take a look at this electric. So you should just be able to lift it up, and we can reveal here that we have 20 volt and 30. I'm sorry, 20 amp and 30. So it's not a 50 amp.
It looks nice. Look at it.
So if you're in the other part of the RV park over here, past the dumping station, across that little bridge. For all you RVers out there that like to get a look at the dump stations. You got your hose, you got your drop-off location, and you got that smell.
particular version doesn't have a floor in it. So you can put it up and take it down without having to empty your bed of your truck out.
That's perfect. And down here closer to the river, you've got a stand-up barbecue pit. And you've got these stone seats. How cool is that? Like, seriously, who came up with this idea? I love it. And then these great big stone tables and benches over here right next to the tree. Very classy.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
So tell me, what do you think of this park?
I like it very much. I can do flips and I can ride in or two. It's very fun. You can jump. Oh, it's awesome.
What do you think of this park, Kira?
Oh, good.
Would you want to camp here?
Oh, yeah.
Time is a little by little, day by day, I'm caught in the middle of a spinning wheel where all I feel is the ice getting thinner. Step by step, day by day, I'm fighting a winner. Pushed around, I'm nowhere bound, no solid ground. How can I get it back? How can I be strong? All I do comes out old. I wanna be a saint, but I ain't. I'm far from. I wanna be
Get on the river. Feels like Schlitterbahn, doesn't it?
Whoa, nice.
Whoa!
That's like the whole world.
It's all of Texas.
That's a lot of people.
It's like all of Texas.
Just kidding. That's like
You can see,
the world.
y'all can see it's a very popular thing to do, isn't it?